So here it is here. Okay, so it's the next day again, and I showed up, I knocked out all the clips, and I cleaned up everything, like the grout lines and any thin set that was on the tile. Got it nice and clean. It's all nice and clean, nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. The only thing I have left is under the bench seat and under the curb. I finished this other niche, got that all done, and so I'm gonna work on this bench seat next, and then I'm gonna do under the curb. Okay, so the niche is done, both niches are done, that seat is done. That seat was done before I did that today. I did under the curb, it's all done. So all the wall, all the tile in this shower is all done. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. Maybe I'll pull up this cardboard and we'll take a look at it when it's all cleaned up. Okay, so the shower is all done. It just needs grout. I cleaned it all up, but I still need to do the main floor, which I'll be starting tomorrow. So here it is here. All done. Cleaned up. Remember the two drains? Haven't seen those in a while. 2 sets of mixing bowls. 2 niches. 2 corner seats. All done. Finished. Floor next.